Hi guys, this is your girl janNOEL and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'll be making some chicken and some pork, some stewed chicken and some stewed pork together. I just have 2 pieces of pork chops here and some chicken wings that I'm going to clean and season it, and I'm going to cook that today. So yes guys, so just cutting it up guys, onto the chicken wings. I want to take out all the ends. I don't like the ends, like cut it up. Have the pork here also. Just gonna cut that up, just like so. Just have 2 pieces. One has a lot of fat, but not put a lot of oil. That will, yeah, you want to take off all the fat in there. So now I wash it guys, it's nice and clean. So now I'm going to season. So yes guys, so now I'm going to season. Have all my seasonings here. I have salt, I have curry, I have black pepper, I have paprika, I have some Mexican seasoning, and I have my homemade green seasoning. Just gonna get some lemon, put in there. I have my lemon juice, and I'm gonna put some dark soy sauce in there. So I'm gonna start with some lemon juice. Not a lot. I did wash it with lemon and everything, and put some lemon juice. Yes, add some salt. Not a lot of salt because the soy sauce have salt. With my black pepper. Put some curry. It has ginger in there also. I think it has ginger and nutmeg and cloves. Yeah. Yes, so okay. I'm gonna put in some paprika. This paprika is not spicy, guys. I'm gonna put some of my Mexican seasoning. Mexican seasoning have a little kick to it, so if you do like spice, don't put. I'm not gonna put a lot because it has a little kick to it. That's enough. So I'm gonna add some of my homemade green seasoning. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of that. And I'm going to add in some dark soy sauce. Okay, that's enough. About a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. And I'm going to mix it up nicely. So I'm just gonna let that marinate for about an hour before stewing. So see you guys in about an hour's time to stew our chicken and our pork, chicken and pork. So guys, in the meanwhile, I'm going to steam some broccoli. I have some frozen broccoli here. I'm going to steam some. Yes, I'm just going to steam some broccoli. Yes. Have some mushrooms also, but I'm not gonna steam the mushrooms. I'm gonna put the mushrooms in my stew, chicken and pork. Yeah. And I'm also gonna add some frozen, sorry guys. So guys, I was saying I have some plantain, 4 pieces of plantain. When I have a lot, I don't let it waste. I peel it and I put it in the freezer, so I have the plantain. I put the plantain in here also. Yeah, don't let anything go to waste. You can freeze your ripe plantain, but don't boil it in water. If you're freezing it, it's best to steam it. It's not going to be the same, taste the same if you boil it. It's going to be too soft because it's already frozen, so it's best to steam it. So for your broccoli, you can put some onions. You can put some onions on it and stuff. You can put some salt, some black pepper, whatever you want. Me, I don't put any salt on mine. Maybe some onions, but not salt. So I'm just going to cut some red onions just to put on there, just like so. I love red onions on the broccoli. Just put them right there, so that's it. Roughly chopped. That's it. Just gonna put the lid on and put it to steam. So it already have water in there. I already put water in there, so I'm just gonna turn it on. I'm just gonna put it for about 10 minutes. Yeah, not much, about 10 minutes. 10 or 15 minutes. Put it for 15 minutes and that's it. So I have my mushrooms here. I'm just gonna put some in a plate so I can use it for my chicken on my pork. I love mushrooms, so I'm just gonna put that in there. Instead of putting carrots today, I'm gonna put mushrooms. I'm just gonna use this mushroom. Yes, that is good. So I wet it a little bit for you to see properly the mushrooms. Yes, guys. Oh, it's almost ready, guys. See how it's nice and green? When you steam it, it don't lose its color. It's nice and green. Look at the plantain. It's not too ripe. It's not soggy. It's just right. Perfect. So guys, it's time to stew our chicken and pork. I'm gonna put some olive oil in there. Not a lot, because you know the pork is fat and all of that. That's why we're gonna use some olive oil. I have some olive oil here. The pot is nice and hot. So in my green seasoning has everything in it, onions, garlic, everything, but I'm still gonna put some garlic in there. I just like that smell of garlic in there. The garlic with the olive oil, it just, that's aroma. I like it, the smell. Yeah. So guys, we're just gonna let that do its thing. I have, where did I put the lid? I have the lid. I'm just gonna put it on the side like this for now. So I'm just gonna put some bay leaf in there, like so. Oh. Oh my god, guys, I almost threw my phone down. Still have some water in there. So guys, I'm gonna put the rest of the gravy in there. You wanna taste for salt. It has enough salt. I don't use a lot of salt. I'm gonna put in my mushrooms. I'm gonna put in a little bit of tomato paste. It. Add a little bit of my water. Some hot water. Okay. So you can let it cook. The mushrooms and everything. here a little bit more of my homemade green seasoning. I'm gonna add in some more. Let it cook. It's almost done, guys. Almost ready. So guys, it's ready. Looking delicious. Looking good. So if you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.